Okay, so here's December. December's budget's really going to be bad. There's no way to do this without a shadow in it. All the lights are behind me. I'll be losing 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days work. I have Christmas and New Year's. I still have a house payment to save, and now it's actually the 19th, so I have to work tonight. Anyway, here's the chart for December. I made another video. I had some money to pay towards city card, but I spent it on stuff instead. So this looks like about how we're going into the new year. Next year we want to take all these off. All the credit cards and loans should be paid off by this time 2019, if possible. Because of the spending, the extra money, I've got to make sure when I get paid this Thursday, it would be for 48 hours. So it'll be a bigger check. I've got to, it should be around $391 area. And then I have another small check here, so I got these two checks here again, roughly, to make sure I can pay the house payment on January, Progressive Insurance, Merrickston came out, and Spark Card on the 16th. If you notice, on the previous videos, I was doing some checking. I'll make a video on that. But I was writing down the different cards and the different amounts. And a pitifully small amount of the $16 a month. Spark Card has went from $590.76, $585.75, $580.32, roughly $5 out of $15. $16 is all that's coming out. Not too much better, actually worse with City, $559.61 down to $445.74. And then down to $405.41. That was a bigger jump. But that's where these cards get you, is most of what you pay on the minimum payment is interest. It doesn't even come off the principal. So I'm going to knock this one out next month. Hopefully this one by the following month. And then these will all take a couple of months apiece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hopefully, I might have to work some overtime. They're doing layoffs. Nobody really is immune to that. But I should know by Thursday the 20th if I'm going to still have a job next year or not. I guess if that be the case, it'll really make it paying the bills harder to do. If you don't really need to do this on a big board, I just got this so I could video it and make it all big enough to really see. You can use a smaller calendar, like an 18-month calendar. I have one somewhere. I haven't actually used it. That's pretty good size. It's like one of the largest ones that I've seen. I call it a 2019 desk pad, but it basically has 18 months on it. And the squares are relatively large. So if you wanted to plan like months in advance, you could do that with this. Oh, okay. Kind of appears to have different pictures. For each of the months that I was planning on using this for long-term planning, but I never have gotten around to it yet. I'll see if I can get some of that done. If I do any of it, I'll show you. Hopefully next year I'll make better progress on it. Well, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, any questions or comments. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and don't forget to ring that bell. Thank you for watching.